Hello students, welcome back. I am Rinkesh sir and today we will continue with the miscellaneous exercise 10 of chapter number 10, that is straight lines. Okay, so now we have already started with the exercise. So today let's start with question number 7. Question number 7. Find the equation of the line drawn perpendicular to the line x by 4 plus y by 6 equal to 1 through the point where it meets the y-axis. First, let's draw the given line. Let's take this as line L1. X by 4 plus y by 6 equal to 1. Yeah. Now this is the intercept form, right? So I can clearly say that x-intercept will be 0, 4, sorry, 4, 0, and y-intercept that will be 0, 6, right? Now you have to find the equation of line which is drawn perpendicular to this line and at which point? To the point where it meets y-axis. So this is the point where it is meeting. So now let's draw a perpendicular line to this. Okay. Now this is perpendicular. This is line L1. This is line L2. Okay. Now we have to find out the equation of this red line, which is perpendicular to line L1 at the point where it meets the y-axis, that is 0, 6. Okay. So first let's simplify this equation taking LCM. 6x plus 4y upon 6 4s are 24, that is equal to 1. That implies 6x plus 4y equal to 24. That means 6x plus 4y minus 24 equal to 0. I can take 2 common. So it will be 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. This is the equation of line L1. Okay. So what is the slope? The slope of this line M1 will be equal to minus A by B. So minus A, what is A? 3. B, that is 2. The slope of line L1 is minus 3 by 2. Now the required line is L2 and that is perpendicular, right? L2 is perpendicular to L1. Now say to find out the equation of a line, if we can get one slope, sorry, if we can get slope, there will be only single slope. And if we can get any one point, then we will use slope point form. Point we already have it, that is 0, 6. Okay. So we only require to find out the slope. Now L2 is perpendicular to L1, that means M1 into M2 will be equal to minus 1. M1 that is minus 3 by 2 into M2 that is equal to minus 1. Minus minus gets cancelled. M2 is equal to 2 by 3. Okay. Now for L2, slope is equal to 2 by 3 and point 0, 6. So let's use the slope point form, that is y equation minus y1 equal to m x minus x1. This point will be x1 y1. So y minus 6 m, that is 2 by 3 into x minus 0. Here, so simplifying, y minus 6 equal to 2 by 3x. Let's take 3 on the other side. So that implies 3y minus 18 equal to 2x. Let's take this on the other side. We'll get the equation 2x minus 3y plus 18 equal to 0. This is the equation of required line. Equation of required line means equation of line is perpendicular to L1 and passing through 0, 6. This was about question number 7. So just note it down. Let's move to the next question. Question number 8. Find the area of the triangle formed by lines y minus x equal to 0, y minus x equal to 0, L2 x plus y equal to 0, and L3 x minus k equal to 0. Now see, if I take first line y minus x equal to 0, okay, see first we need to plot these lines. Okay, x. So if I take y minus x equal to 0, y is equal to x. X. If I take x0, y0, x1, y1, x2, y2. So it will be like this: 1, 1, 2, 2, 0, 0. These will be the points: 1, 1, 2, 2. Let's draw the points. And remember, the line y is equal to x will be always making an angle 45 degree with x-axis. Right? So this is the line. Now, second line, that is x plus y is equal to 0, that means y is equal to minus x. So we take x0, y0, x1, y minus 1, x2, y minus 2. Right? So x0, y0, this will be the point. x1, y minus 1, this will be the point. x2, y minus 2, this will be the point. So the line will be in this way. This is line L. When I take the line x minus k equal to 0, that means x is equal to k. X is equal to k, that is a line parallel to y-axis. Means x is constant. So let's take this line. Okay, this is x is equal to k. Okay, so now first we need to find out the coordinates if we want to find out the area of triangle. Here we know that the area of triangle can be given by a equal to half modulus x1 y2 minus y3 plus y2 sorry x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Okay, this is the formula. So we need to find out these points, right? We need to find out these points. So if I take this point, let's take this as origin. It will be 0, 0. If I take this point, see this here will be k. Okay, so x component is k. Clear? So this is L1. In L1, if I put x equal to k, y equal to k. This will be equal to k. Okay. Same way here also x is k. So in second line, if I put x equal to k, y equal to minus k. So k minus k. Okay. So point O 0, 0. This is x1, y1. Point, let's take A and B. Point A, that is k, k. This is x2, y2. Point C, that is k minus k. This is x3, okay. So now let's put down the value of x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 of modulus of x1. What is x1? 0. So see, whatever I will multiply, this will be equal to 0 plus x2, that is k, y3, that is minus k, minus y1, that is 0 plus x3. x3 is k1, that is sorry k, y1 that is 0 minus y3, that sorry y2 that is k. Okay, so half modulus of k into minus k, that will be minus k square. K into minus k square. So half into 2k square. Okay, so 2 can get cancelled. So the area is equal to half modulus of k square. Now we know that k square will be always positive. Okay, area of triangle. Sorry, it will not half k square, it will be k square, modulus of k square. Because 2 gets cancelled. That is equal to k square. K square square unit. Here, this is the area of the triangle formed by the lines y minus x equal to 0, x plus y equal to 0, and x minus k equal to 0. Remember what we did. First, we had drawn line L1, L2, and L3 on the graph. Okay, then we tried to, on how we had drawn, we had just taken the values of x and y and just joined the points. Okay, then we found out the point of intersection of all these three lines, and it was O00, that is origin, A KK, that is x1 y1, and B K minus K, that is x2 y2. So we got 3 points, we got the vertices of the triangle. And using the formula of area, that is half into modulus of x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y plus x3 into y1 minus y2, putting down the value of x1 y1, x2 y2, and x3 y3, we found out that the area of triangle is k square square units. Clear? This was about question number 8. Just note it down. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 9. Find the value of P so that three lines 3x plus y minus 2 equal to 0, px plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0, and 2x minus y minus 3 equal to 0 intersect at one point. Now see, if lines intersect at a common point or if three lines intersect at a single point, then those three lines are called concurrent lines. Okay. Now first let's see the condition for concurrent lines. Okay. If there are three lines like a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus C2 equal to 0, A3x plus B3y plus C3 equal to 0. Okay, so all these lines are concurrent, means intersect at a single point if the determinate value of A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3 is equal to 0. Okay, so if this determinate value is 0, then these three lines are concurrent, means they intersect at a single point. Okay, so now let's see here, the lines are 3x plus y minus 2 equal to 0, px plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0, 2x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. Now we have to show that all these three lines intersect at one point. So in that case, 3, sorry, it is given these lines are intersecting at a one point, and then we have to find out the value of p. So as they intersect on one line, so at a one point, so the coefficient 3, 1, minus 2, p 2, minus 3, 2, minus 1, minus 3. This determinant value will be equal to 0 as these three lines are intersecting at a single point. Let's solve it. 3. 3 into sorry, 2 into minus 3, minus 6 minus. Minus 1 into minus 3, plus 3, minus 1. P into minus 3, minus 3p. 2 into minus 3, minus 6, so it's plus 6. Minus 2. P into minus 1, minus p minus. 2 to the 4, equal to minus 6 minus 3, that is minus 9. Minus 9 into 3, that is minus 27. Minus 3p, minus 1 into minus 3p, plus 3p. Minus 1 into 6, minus 6. Minus 2 into minus, that is plus 2p. Minus 4 into minus 2, plus 8, equal to 0. Minus 27 minus 6, that will equal to minus 33. Minus 33 plus 5, that will be equal to minus 25. Plus 3p plus 2p, 5p equal to 0. This shows that 5p is equal to 25. So this implies p is equal to 5. All these three lines are concurrent if the value of p is equal to 5. Clear? So this was about question number 9. Just note it down. Now let's move to the next sums. Question number 11. Find the equation of line through the point 3, 2, which makes an angle 45 degree with line x minus 2y plus 3. This, let's take the equation of line x minus 2y plus 3. This is the required line that you want. Okay, that is L2. And the angle between them is 45 degree and it passes through point 3, 2. So now I already have a point. If I get this slope, I can use slope point form. So first in an angle, let's find out the slope of M1. Sorry, L1. L1, that is x minus 2y equal to 3. So its slope M1 minus a by b minus 1 upon minus 2. So this will be equal to 1 by. Now theta is equal to 45 degree. Now we know the formula for angle between two lines. That is tan 45, that is m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. So tan 45, that is 1, m1, that is 1 by 2 minus, let's take the slope of m2 as m upon 1 plus 1 by 2m. This will be equal to 1 minus 2m, LCM will be 2. Here 2 plus m upon 2. We will cancel. So 1 equal to 1 minus 2m upon 2 plus m. Now as it is modulus, when I will remove the modulus, 1 minus 2m upon 2 plus m will be either equal to 1 or 1 minus 2m upon 2 plus m, this will be equal to minus 1. 1 minus 2m, that will be equal to 2 plus m. So taking this on the other side, 3m, and taking on this other side, this will be 1 minus 2 minus 1. So m is equal to minus 1 by 3. Okay, or 1 minus 2m is equal to minus 1 into 2 plus m minus 2 minus m. On the other side, it will be m plus 2m minus m and 1. This will be on the other side, 1 minus 1 plus 2, 3. So m is equal to 3. So I got the slope. The slope is either minus 1 by 3 or 3. So first, m equal to minus 1 by 3 and point 3. Equation y minus y1, that is 2m minus 1 by 3 x minus x1, that is 3. Let's multiply 3y minus 3 to the 6 minus 1 into x minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3. So taking on one side x plus 3y minus 6 minus 3, that will be equal to minus 9 equal to 0. Required equation, the first equation, that will be equal to x plus 3y minus 9y equal to 0. Now let's take value of m as 3. The point same 3 2. Y minus y1, that is 2 3. X minus x1, that is 3. Y minus 2 equal to 3x minus 9. Taking on the other side, 3x minus y minus 9 plus 2. So minus 7 equal to 0. This is the required equation. So the required equation will be either x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0 or 3x minus y minus 7 equal to 0. Clear? This was about question number 11. Just note it down. Okay, students, that's it for today. Thank you.